This video is on how to access and the basics of the ePortfolio tool, specifically for teachers and students using it for creating pathways to success, K-6 All About Me. Once you log into Desire to Learn, you will see the My Home page. The My Home page has the ePortfolio tool in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This is the same view for students and teachers. So I'm going to click on the ePortfolio icon to go into the ePortfolio tool. Now for the basics of the ePortfolio tool. When you begin, you start on the ePortfolio dashboard page. This allows you and students to quickly write reflections. What are they learning, or who do I want to become, or what are my plans to achieve my goals, or whatever you would like to reflect on. It also allows you to quickly add any artifacts as files. These could be documents of student work, it could be images of student work, it could be an audio recording, a movie, really the file could be anything. You can also have links, so it can be a link to a web page that represents the learning, or it could be that you are linking to a Google Doc. Off to the right-hand side, you also have an area that allows you to build your ePortfolio, including making a new presentation and making a new collection. The new collection is one of the tools that we're going to use quite a bit as part of creating pathways to success. I'm just going to move to the next tab, which is the My Items area. This area contains anything that I put into the ePortfolio, things I created, things that belong to me. As a teacher of young students, this would be the area where I would create collections for my students. And it would show up in the My Items area. And you can see right now that I have a number of artifacts showing here. And if I would like to do a bit of filtering so I don't see everything, I have the option, for example, of clicking on Collections, and I see just the collections. Clicking again on Collections, and I no longer see the collections. The next tab is the Explore tab. In the Explore tab, you see anything that was shared with you. So this will be an important area to look at if you have students sharing collections with you. In this example, I have two teachers that are actually sharing their collections with me, Barb and Lisa. And the final tab is Sharing Groups. When you get to sharing, you are generally sharing one at a time, but if you would like an option of sharing with a whole group at one time, then you can create a sharing group, and this is the area where you can do it. I'm just going to go back to the ePortfolio tab so we can go back to the dashboard again. And again, this is where you begin. When you open up the ePortfolio tool, you land on the ePortfolio dashboard.